Hello everyone, in this video we're going to have a look at how you can actually modify the variable that's a global variable. So if I have a variable called global and I make it equal to 9, alright, and in the main function cout I'm going to cout global. Of course it's going to cout 9, so it's going to print out 9, which is the global variable. However, assume, sometimes there's a scope issue. The scope is it's a local scope. Within functions, within loops, there's a different scope for a variable. So assume inside the main function I create another global variable and I make it equal to 3. Alright, now you can see that if I run the program and I cout global, then it's actually 3. But let me tell you something. Alright, this is a common mistake. In this variable global is not the same variable as that one. Okay, so if you make global equal to 3, it's not changing the value that is the global variable right there. It's not changing the value of the variable which is this one in the global scope. And the reason for that is the following. Because when you cout, you're actually creating another variable. You are creating another different variable in a different location, kind of thing. You're creating in a different scope. This is within the scope of the main function. So if you were to create a function right here, right, and if I were to say int create a function, okay, and I'm going to say this function couts global, okay, what it does is that it couts global. And now assume I actually cout here func, okay, and I actually run this function here. You're gonna see that it actually, what happened here, func cout func global. Okay, this is really funny. Don't really know what's happening. Let's just run it again, troubleshoot. Okay, it prints out 3, yes, but if I do this, then it gives us 394. Okay, I don't know why is it giving this garbage value to us, but if I maybe were to do it over there, or maybe not there, actually here, let me check what happens. Garbage value. Alright, okay, so the reason I'm pointing this out, you can see it's a garbage value, is because if you want to, in short, if you want to refer to the global variable that's on top here, okay, then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to use the scope resolution operator. Let me just try that. If I were to just let me just hold on, let me just comment this out and run the program to see if func is good. No, it's not. Okay, I don't know what that is, what's wrong, but okay, assume that. So if I were to refer to, let me just remove this function over here. Okay, assume I want to access this global variable there. The way to do it is by putting this operator here. So scope resolution operator. Now if I run this program, you can actually see that function is 9, or the global, sorry, variable is 9. So it's accessing the global variable here. So whenever you have two variables that are the same name but the scope is different, one is global, one is within the main function, then to access the one that is outside of the main function in the global scope, you'd have to use this operator called the scope resolution, meaning scope resolution operator. Alright, that's how it is.